Ryan from Hartford Truck Equipment here. I'd like to take the opportunity to show you a demo we just finished putting together. It's on a Ram 3500 60CA chassis, crew cab, Cummins diesel 6.7 liter with the Ison transmission. Also has the chrome appearance group and max tow. This is a 9-foot Duramag all aluminum service body. It has a 6-door configuration. We've done the front of this truck with 2 Whelen ion strobes. In the rear, we have Buyers, all-in-one, backup, stop turn tail, and strobe lights. On the Magnum headache rack, we have a LED 13-inch light bar for nighttime illumination of the cargo area. The body uses all LED stop turn tail, backup, and clearance lights. All the compartment doors come standard with LED compartment lighting. We've built this truck with the Maglock system. With one touch of the button, you can lock all of your compartment doors safely. We've done Rhino lining to the compartment area as well as the compartment tops to protect from impact and wear.